Hi everyone, welcome to Eden, my garden. Today I'm going to show you how to plant potatoes. Yes, all you need is potatoes that has been germinated. So usually what I do, I leave them somewhere, a place where it's quite warm and dark. That's underneath the sink. So usually I buy potatoes and I just leave them in there and leave them to germinate. So I've got 3 here. As you could see, it's beautifully germinated. I've got this one here, little one. And all you need is potting soil, organic potting soil, and bone meal. And this is it. That's all you need. And I'm going to plant them quite early. We are in February. So by summertime, we're going to have lots of potatoes. So here I've got quite a big pot here. And there's lots of drainage, which is very important. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to fill my pot with potting soil. I'm going to put a quarter, about that bit here. Yeah, that's enough. And I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of bone meal. Okay, and now you don't need to cut your potato. All you need to do, just where it's germinated, you just need to put it on top. And we need a lot of space. We just need 3 because we don't want it, we need space for the potato to grow. So now what we are going to do, we're just going to fill it about halfway through because we don't want to fill it too much. As the potatoes are growing and you see it, shooting up, then we're going to keep adding the soil. But for now, we're just going to put it halfway through and that's it. And lots of water and leave it somewhere in a warm place. I mean, it doesn't have to be, in the light. It's best, I'm just going to leave it in my garage underneath the counter in a dark place. But when it started to shoot up, that's where it needs the light. And probably I put it outside when the weather is better. Lots of water. We want the water to soak all the way down. Okay, I think that's enough. We're done. Easy peasy. And I'm sure you have some potato in your kitchen that's being germinated. You can just, if you don't want a bigger pot, you can just put 1 potato in a smaller pot and leave it somewhere warm in a dark place. And that's all you need to do. So today I want to encourage you, plant and do some seedling and get your own vegetable. It's so rewarding. Be outdoors and mess about with soil and I just love it. And I was reading this article on gardening. It says in the soil there is, if your hand touch the soil, you're messing about with soil, you're planting. Apparently there is an antidepressant in the soil. When it mixes with your hands, and it makes you feel happy. I think this is true. It says, when you're in outdoors, when you see kids going out there and play in the soil, mess about in the mud, they are happy as Larry. You might be giving them, the biggest toy. They don't want to play with that. They want to be outdoors. And I would tell you, it does make me happy. When I'm out there, I talk to my plants, I'm looking at them for, they're growing. And these days, there are so many people who doesn't have a leisure, they don't have a hobby, and they are indoors feeling depressed. And I've read as well, there is an increase on teenagers who are being depressed because you know why? They don't know what being outdoor is. They're on their phone, they're on their computer, they're playing games, and that's not normal. God created beautiful forests, beautiful views for us to be out there and enjoy. And that's what he did in Genesis. God spoke and said, let there be light, and God created all these plants, beautiful Eden. And so today I challenge you, go out there and enjoy being outdoors with your kids and doing gardening, because God created that for us to enjoy, not to be on computers, watch TV and be indoors and be depressed. No, out there, go and have fun. If you like today what I've planted, I would encourage you to do the same and subscribe to my channel and press the notification button. Until next time, keep on planting and God bless you. Goodbye.